Jess, jumping Jimmy Jess, but he knocked him out.
Jimmy Jess ended up playing up home here.
He knocked him out in the first few minutes. Okay, that's what I got to do. Wayne Johnson was playing in the Domino and the flying doormat. Just good. McClure. I remember Barton was playing. Yeah. Who? No, who was playing that? No. Yeah, Saucy was one. Yeah. Wayne Harris was playing. It was good game. I remember mine 2002 just yeah. And Wayne Johnson was number 6. Yeah. Yeah. And there's another what's his name too, Ken Hunter. I don't know what number he had, but he was such a skinny guy. Never knew how he made it. Not muddy. Really? Shit, didn't know that. I'm just trying to remember whether Disaster was playing in there as well.